Today, I'll walk you through how to recover and restore deleted pages or sections in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to retrieve your lost notes so you can get back to being productive. First, let's start by opening your OneNote desktop application. This is where all your notebooks are stored, and it's the starting point for our recovery process. Once you have OneNote open, locate the notebook from which you want to recover deleted items. Right-click on that notebook. You will see an option labeled Notebook Recycle Bin. This is similar to a trash can on your computer, where deleted items are temporarily stored before they are permanently removed. Click on Notebook Recycle Bin, and you will see a list of all the deleted items associated with that notebook. Take a moment to browse through this list. It's like sifting through a lost and found box. You might just find what you're looking for. Next, find the specific page or section that you want to restore. Once you've located it, right-click on that item. You will then see options for Move or Copy. This is your chance to decide whether you want to relocate the item or just create a duplicate of it in another section. Select Move or Copy, depending on your preference. After that, you will need to choose where you want to move or restore the deleted item. Think of this step as deciding where to place a newly found treasure in your home. Finally, click on Move. This action will restore your selected page or section back to its original location or to the new location you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your deleted pages or sections in OneNote. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.